I tried several things at first to do this. This wheat's been sitting here for almost a year. We harvested last spring, and it's been sitting on the porch, and I finally cleaned up the porch. And I think it's been dry on the porch this whole time, and it's not really any more moldy than when we harvested. We're finally doing it. I tried putting rocks in here and shaking it, and that didn't do anything. Pain in the ass. And just got filled with rock dust and sand that I can't separate now. Then I saw a guy put chains. I didn't have chains. I have an old chainsaw blade. Goodness, it didn't do anything. It didn't work. I don't know, man. I'm the same way with deer. Doing the butcher. Cutting little scraps of meat off the bone. Take hours and hours and hours. Can't ever actually get the job done. Not usually a perfectionist. I like hunting the yield. Need that 100% efficiency. Hateful of the waste. I'm leaning towards beer. I don't even know how to grind flour. I've done beer before. Got the equipment for that. The only problem is going to be malting. Why do you just put the straw in? What if you don't skip all this stuff and just go straight to beer? Just malt it with the stalks and everything. Could be interesting. Work like rice hulls. This is like 30 square feet of wheat. I think it was 3 by maybe 100 square feet of wheat. Probably 5 by, I don't remember how big it was. It was small. And we planted it too dense. See if I can find a picture. And so they all grew really small. We also planted it late, so it was too hot for wheat here in the south by the time it was ripe. And I don't know if these are actually, I mean, they're ripe. They're just tiny. If you look at videos people have, the berries themselves are like twice the size. And there's twice as many on a head. So the run cam died, but I got it to this point, and I tried washing it. Hope this come apart, because I still need to get the little shells so that they look like the actual berry. That's what's in there. So I'm just rubbing it with my hands right now. It's wet. I have no idea what I'm doing. That's crushing them. Charcoal! Stop it. You just got washed. Stop it. Getting better. Oh yeah, we're getting better. There's still a few little ones. Kind of annoying. When is enough on this? Doing this by hand. But 250 grams of wheat. That's counting the rocks. I think that's enough for 1 cup of beer. Interesting. But I think we can do better next year with if we plant the wheat right and get a little more sun and get it in on time this year. So if we got, I'll say we get 0.7 pounds. 10 pounds. 10 divided by 0.02. 500 square feet of wheat.